To set a song as ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, what you want to do is to head over to the settings, and then from the settings you want to scroll all the way down until you find the sounds and vibration settings, and then to the ringtone option. Over here you should be able to find some default ringtones, and you can go ahead and just select any option. You can also tap on it to listen to how it sounds. But more interestingly, you can also select or set ringtone for the different SIM cards if you do have multiple SIMs. So you can set for SIM 1 and for SIM 2 as well, using any of the default ringtones we have over here. But if you want to set a song on your phone as ringtone, what you want to do is to just tap on the plus icon at the top over here, and this is going to open up the folder of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. At this point, you should already have the song you want to use as ringtone downloaded into your device. You can download royalty-free music from the internet using any browser of your choice, like the Google Chrome browser, and you should be able to find them over here. If you cannot find them from over here, you can check the albums option or the artist option, or directly from the folder of your device. So if I go over to downloads, these are basically all of my downloaded songs, and I can go ahead and select any of them and use them as ringtone. You can also adjust the ringtone to only play selected highlights only by turning this on. But if you want it to play everything from start, you can just go ahead and toggle this off or toggle it on depending on your need. And once you're done, you want to tap on the done button. And as you can see, this is now my ringtone. And you can go ahead and do the same thing for the second SIM card if you have multiple SIM cards. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.